In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a JPG image to an editable PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process is quite simple and can be incredibly useful if you need to make modifications to image-based documents. Let's dive into it step by step. First, go ahead and launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once you've got it open, navigate over to the Tools pane and select the Create PDF tool. You'll find it quite easily among the available options. This tool is essential to transforming your static JPG image into a dynamic editable PDF file. After you've selected the Create PDF tool, a new window will pop up with several options. Here's where you need to look for a button labeled Select a File. Click on this button and a File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to browse your computer's storage. Locate the JPG file that you want to convert. Once you've found it, click on the file and hit the Open button. This action will select your image and prepare it for the conversion process. With your image queued up in Adobe Acrobat, it's time to move on by clicking on the Create button. This is usually located at the bottom right of your application window. By pressing Create, you are initiating the file conversion from a JPG to a PDF format. Acrobat will work its magic in the background, converting your static image into a PDF document. Once the conversion process is complete, you'll want to save your newly created PDF document. To do this, find the Save icon situated at the top right of the window, a staple in most software applications. Clicking this icon will prompt you to choose a destination folder on your computer. Be sure to pick a location where you can easily find the file later, and after choosing the folder, give your new PDF a name that you'll remember. This is crucial for keeping your files organized and easily accessible. After naming your file, go ahead and hit Save. Now you have successfully converted your JPG image into a PDF format. But wait, there's an additional step if you want to edit the text or other elements in your PDF. Head over to the global toolbar at the top of the window and click on the Edit feature. This will enable editing functionalities, allowing you to modify text, alter images, and adjust layout settings on your PDF document as needed. And there you have it. Your JPG image is now in a versatile, editable PDF format, ready for any amendments or tweaks you need to make. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.